Question 6 asks us to simplify this expression. It looks a little frightening with all those fractional powers, but the laws of indices make it quite manageable. We'll lean on two rules. First, a power raised to another power. You multiply the indices. Second, when you divide powers with the same base, you subtract the indices. The first move is to write every base as a prime number to a power. 243 is 3 to the 5th. 125 is 5 cubed, and 9 is 3 squared. Now, a power of a power means we multiply the indices. 3 to the 5th, all to the minus 2/5, is 3 to the 5 times minus 2/5, which is 3 to the minus 2. 5 cubed to the 2/3 is 5 squared, and 3 squared to the minus 3/2 is 3 to the minus 3. Dividing by 3 to the minus 3 is the same as multiplying by 3 to the plus 3, because we subtract that index. So now we have 3 to the minus 2 times 5 squared times 3 cubed. The two 3's share a base, so we add their indices. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. That leaves 3 to the power 1 times 5 squared. 3 to the power 1 is simply 3, and 5 squared is 25. And 3 times 25 is 75. So the whole expression simplifies neatly to 75. Well done! That's question 6 complete.